Grace Ultra, defending against water intrusion from wind-driven rain and ice dams for over 30 years. Weather is unpredictable. Your roof shouldn't be. Grace Ultra provides a waterproof barrier against the elements. Applied directly on decking, the underlayment resists wind-driven rain and water intrusion from ice dams. Self-adhering, it forms an instant, permanent bond to the roof deck and creates watertight laps with no need for heat or special primers. With the highest quality seal around roof fasteners to deliver best-in-class leak protection, which all adds up to peace of mind in the face of fierce winds, driving rain and snow, and ice dam backups, keeping the elements out, season after season, year after year. GCP offers a full range of products for every roof type, in every climate. For more information about Grace Ultra, visit gcpat.com.